Hello and welcome to Warhammer 40k on a budget, and today we're looking at the Death Guard. Now Death Guard are one of my favourite armies in 40k. I don't like what they did to Mortarion when they changed the lore a little bit. Originally it was basically Nurgle said to Mortarion, right, all your men are dying, you can either worship me and they live, or don't worship me and they die. And like he was not given a choice, but now it was all about Typhus being a bit of a bitch and, you know, doing this to them. But anyway, besides that, this was going to be the first army I was going to do for this series, but 9th edition came out, and when 9th edition coming out, yeah, the No Fear box got discontinued, which is such a shame. It's such a great box for anyone starting the hobby, because you had so many great bits. Just a great box, you know. I got 3 of them, you know, to build my Space Marine army, so I accidentally built a Death Guard army at the same time. There you go. So anyway, first things first, Plague Marines. You've got enough bits in this box to make a Chaos Lord and a Chaos Champion. So I'd make one a Chaos Lord and I'd make one a Champion. It's very simple. Because you can give the Chaos Lord the Plague Sword plus the Plasma Pistol, and then give a Champion a Power Fist and a Bolt Pistol. Plus you've got enough still to make the Icon Bearer there. And you have loads of bits still left over. You've got loads of melee bits, you've got loads of you got your Plague Belcher and stuff like that. This is a very good box, lots of bits in it. Definitely for anyone who's doing, I mean, like, you could just add these bits because they're actually well enough made that you can pretty much put a lot of these onto normal Chaos Space Marines too, just to boost your army up. Then I would get the Chaos Sorcerer, because you're going to need a Chaos Sorcerer for a little bit later anyway. No spoilers here. Just get a Chaos Sorcerer, £17.50. I bet he's at the top because I've scrolled all the way down now. No, there he is, £17.50. Just get the basic one, or you could convert a Plague Marine Icon Bearer. It's not that hard. You just basically just trim this bit here. You know, not that difficult. You're going to need this for a bit later in the video. Then, to add to more troops, what I would do personally, and this is because I love making narrative themed armies, and though my Chaos army at the moment is Demon and Astartes, which means I'm dropping anything like Zangors, Plague Poxwalkers, you know, anything like that. That's just Demons and Astartes. I would get, if you to make a nice army and a nice, really nice zombies, get the Deadwalker zombies. Now, you can get the Poxwalkers, but Poxwalkers are 6 for £10. This is 20 for £25. Straight away you can see that you're saving money. So to get the same amount of Poxwalkers as you would dead zombies, you would have to buy at least 4. And you'd have 4 remaining, because obviously 6 times 4 is 24. Where with this you get 20 for 25, so it's £40 for 24, or it's 25 for 20. Straight away you can see there's a massive saving there straight away. Even if we're going to be generous, you still save a £5 because you'd have to buy at least 3 boxes just to get 18, which is kind of close to 20. But you're still saving money straight away. And then the other problem with the Plague Walkers, I'm probably going to keep changing between the two things, is that they are very easy fit kits. So you're going to have, no matter how many boxes you buy, you're just going to have the same 6 models over and over again. But Deadwalker Zombies has so many bits in it, so each one's going to look different. You're not going to have the same 6 models. You're going to have 20 different unique looking models straight away. So just on that bearing alone, amazing. But if I was to do this, what I would personally do if I was to add Poxwalkers is Plague Monks. Just because I like the idea of rats with Nurgle. I love Skaven anyway. That's one of my favorite. It is my favorite AOS army. I've played them so many times and I think they're fun army. But yeah, I would do Plague Monks because I like the rats themed, and the rat heads actually do fit on Astartes as well, just so you know. And finally, because we got the sorcerer, we got our Poxwalkers or Plague Walkers, whenever. Okay. This straight away, right at the top here, the Stark Collected Demon and Nurgle. Right, I've checked and triple checked the codex just to make sure this is completely compliant. Only one model in this entire box is not in the Death Guard codex at time of release of this video. cannot save that because the new Death Codex is coming out. But I'm pretty much sure these are all going to be in it. And the only one not in it is the Herald. But you're still saving money. That's the best thing about it. Because you get your... Altogether, without this, so if we just ignore him and say he's not going to save you money because he's not going to be in your army, you're still saving £22.50. So you're saving about £27.50 straight away. And of course, a Chaos Sword is going to cost you £17.50. Add that onto a £27.50. That's £45 saving altogether. This is... if you've been watching, these videos are designed to make for people who are starting 40k. These are just so people can have a look at what, you know, what's in the box and what you can save money on. And with this box, with this army, you get a lot of variation. You get a lot of variation with the bits in the Deadwalker zombies. There's a scythe in there, so you could give that to your Chaos Lord. It would look cool, you know, just having a normal holding scythe. You get a nice variation of models as well. You've got very few repetition in there. Actually, the only ones that are really repeating are the Nurgles, but they actually come together in so many different ways. There's not just one way to build these. Because I do actually have this box in my Nurgle army. This is a box I actually do use. Like I said, I don't use Poxwalkers because I'm trying to get rid of all. It's just Astartes and demons, as I said before. It's just a Astartes Crusade force opposing my Imperial Crusade force. A Chaos Crusade force opposing my Imperial Crusade force, as I say, which also contained an Eldar because, you know, help. Yet it's a nice variation. You've got a nice choice, nice range of models there. You've got, like I said, you've got demons, you've got zombies, you've got your Astartes. And I wouldn't say it's overpowerful, but it's a nice fun army to start with, because you learn a lot of different rules with this one, which is going to embrace it quite quickly, like the psychic powers to bring in to summon the demons. You've got the Poxwalkers with their resilience and, you know, knowing how to save against mortal wounds and stuff like that. And you have a nice, like I said, and you've got a fast attack in there. You've got a nice variation of models and different tactics you can use. It's a nice army to go around everything. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and click the links down below for Element Games and my 2 comics. As I say pretty much in every episode, I don't really want to monetize this video if I don't have to. I'd rather you be able to get something out of this by support me by, you know, actually getting some. Save yourself some money on Warhammer with Element Games down below. That's for 25%. On top of the savings I've given you today, under the advice I gave you today, there's my 2 comic books. You've got Wolf's Bane and you've got Project Blue Book #1. Both links are down below. And thank you for watching. And I hope you all have a happy Halloween, because that's when I release this later anyway. Thank you.